chimney, sing it. You know, every day. Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Memphis keep hiding. So we're going on to the next ride, and then we're gonna head to the next one. He's coming. I know, I still don't see him. Oh, there he is. Over there. Where's Faith? They have the life jacket on, so they're good. Oh my goodness. Hey, what are you gonna do to him? Aw, look at these two holding hands. Are you?
I'm holding hand, I'm not touching him, I'm touching him.
Oh, you're holding hand, yeah, walk side by side with him, you're just as bad. Showing some bond. Grab a single tube and let's go. Let's go. So, me and you go right together?
No.
Yes, me and you. What do you mean, no? Me and you are Bonnie and Clyde. Ow! Me and you were Bonnie and Clyde. Ow, babes, you're hitting me in my head. Memphis, are you? You saw your purpose. Me and you are Bonnie and Clyde. You're riding together. Yeah, but these ones, they look. Ow, Memphis. What the? What is? Ooh, maybe just feel water drop on me. Ow, Memphis, you're so disgusting. Oh Lord, well, my eyebrow.
No man, this is my elevator for boat, man.
Really? Yep. That's what a lazy person would say. It's good exercise. Look at the one that we went to at Canada's Wonderland.
I'm tired.
Oh, so he's going in the pink one. I know. He's gone. We can get in.
Over.
Well, I gotta go to the front. Okay. Oh yeah.
One thing we find what? Oh, this water is not
this
that cold.
one's warm. Yeah, this one's warmer.
Hello, no screaming, you know.
No screaming. Who are you telling no screaming? I vlog this way, babes. You vlog the other way. Telling no screaming. I vlog this way, babes. You vlog the other way. Right? Sounds good? Sounds good?
I'll try.
Oh shit!
Yeah, man.
Oh shit!
Yeah, man. Holy shit!
Bro, that's crazy!
That was a good one.
I like this one.
Yeah, one more time, baby.
You're leaving me this time around. Babe, turn on the flash. Yeah, it's covered. It's covered here. Two in the front. But you have to go call the police. Yeah? You have to go call the police. Really, better you look there so and more than you look elsewhere. Oh gosh. Have fun. Have fun. Yep. You certainly will. Oh shit.
Memphis, I look for the woman in front. You girl in front of you. Memphis, I look for the woman in front. Yeah, Memphis. Memphis, hang on, funny boy. No, not yet.
Now are you ready? Make sure to hold on tight. Don't stop horsemen.
Hey, my head a black me now. They tell me that one in the dog. Man, with a crash. Yeah, this guy's smoother than man. Which one nicer? Which one better? Which one?
The blue one.
The blue one better? That's you can't see the other one.
Snap right the sound. I'm just feeling flinging me out.
Miss when you steal off my tube.
No, I'm going to put the camera in my snap. I can't eat my back here.
How can you reach back for you? Why you come now back way?
Oh God! The cat is not looking at me. Oh my God! I'm about
You okay? Oh my God, that is too funny. I say, fling your fight.
No, you fling me off and then you go over me and I feel like I'm not drunk.
Man, when we come out of here, look, me just Memphis tonight too. We are waiting. What did the lady say you had to do, babe? Babe, what did the girl say you had to do? Up at top.
Holy shit, before we bring back 2
Yeah. Okay, you bring back 2 tube and then me and you can go. Bring back 2 and she has the big one up there? Yeah.
Maybe somebody will get in.
Alright, there you go.
Bring the big one, Memphis, and we'll go. Oh God, that's nice. Oh my gosh, I put my hair. Oh, I need a big brush. Yes.
Yeah?
Make sure to hold on tight. Don't
If you let go, we fall out. Yeah? Hold on to your hair.
This one is not. I write something about it. It's so disgusting. Fine. Look at how white I am, man. Casper.
Yo, the one are rough. Mata, yeah man somebody?
Oh.
That you, Faith. You must be screaming here.
Okay, then yeah.
I'm gonna owe you $1.
No, 2.
Anyhow, you scream, you don't get nothing but if you don't scream, you get $1.
2, Mr. Mario, 2.
Eh?
2.
Alright. If you don't scream, me give you $2. And if you scream, you have to give me $2.
Okay.
Alright, fair enough. Never found video, you know? So you can't see it. Alright. Me approve. How was it, Risa?
Make sure you guys hold on tight.
Hold on tight, Faith.
Stop the mud. Yo, with $2, Mario. Mario, with $2.
Alright, you start already. Good luck, Faith. Yeah, No, Fiat.
Why you owe me $2?
Take a $2 Fiat and I say, Hey, Fiat, take a $2.
Why you owe me $2? I didn't scream. Okay, we're going again, and then you go owe me $2. I'm ready. I'm ready.
You're going next one.
Catch me with the lost screen before.
What?
We're going down the blue one now.
Where do I get you?
Yeah, we're going down the blue one. Okay? Come on, let's go, Mario. We're going down the blue one.
Yeah.
Mommy! Mom! Oh, I'm sorry. Mom! Mario owes me $2.
Oh! Oh, shit. Hey, take a...
So you have to give me $2.
Take a $2. Fiat, not two.
Yeah, I'm with $2. I didn't scream.
No, you... Eh?
Thinking about you.
That's something I wanted to go. We put function shoulder and everything.
Yeah, we're going in the wave pool after, right, Mario?
Eh?
We're going in the wave pool after, yes? Yeah.
Right, no more water soak.
No, we're going in the wave pool after, please. You guys haven't even been in it. You were looking at me and Ben were looking for me.
No, we're going to try. Let's say as we get wet up here. Get out, see what?
Say hi to boss.
Eh? John, I know you're John. Yes.
Oh God! Oh God!
How you play with that something so fast? Eh? Is it? How you play with that?
Mine.
So what you have with this?
Okay guys, so we are all finished. Everybody's all dressed.
You are done.
Is it tied out? Everybody's all switched up. Oh gosh. Me too. Oh gosh, and we have a long way to go home. So we are on our way home just now.
I just found 20 cents.
Oh, you rich. He found 20 cents. He's a rich man. Yeah. Oh, let me get my seatbelt on. Uh-oh.
Get my tablet on me.
Okay. So we're just gonna play some tunes and yeah guys, we're heading out.
Make sure say I don't want PP now because they have 6 drinks.
So yeah, we had a blast. I wish we're going. Time to go. Yeah. Oh, see you water park. We had a blast.
Check your lip, more your lip.
So it seems like everybody is tired. Look at this. They're already going to bed. I just like, oh babes, water got them drunk. I say water get them drunk. Everybody ready to go to bed now. Them belly full and they're all swimmed out, watered out. So it looks like they're ready to go sleep. Well, it's okay. You can sleep because we're just on the journey home. Look at beauty. So the whole gang is sleeping, guys.
You want back to
They're all tired out. Yeah. Well, I guess when me and you go home, we'll probably drop. We can't even drop dead, because you know I gotta go home, go make dinner and all that stuff. And that's how we should be going on next. So hey guys, we are finally back home. Home sweet home. It's never been better to be home.
You know,
I always say no place
Yes,
like home.
Meow.
So we're home and now we're gonna empty out the car, get ourselves together, take a shower, and I'm gonna start cooking, and we're just probably gonna relax and watch some movie. That is the plan for the rest of the evening. So hey guys, don't mind me, I'm a hot mess, but dinner is all ready. I've came home, showered, we've been relaxing and actually doing laundry. We've been so tired. Now we're just about to eat some dinner and watch a movie. And so I just wanted to come back and actually end the vlog, and just to tell you guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog I hope you guys had an amazing weekend, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and make sure you hit that notification button there, so when I upload, you guys will be the first to be notified, and we will talk to you later. Peace guys.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and